Hey, what's going on, guys? John Erickson here, reading for the role of Eric.
I. I'm trying to remember what happened.
You got away. That's what matters.
I thought prom night was going to be a little different.
Emily, my daughter, she had her date bail on her. The best day of her life was ruined. A couple of months later, the best day ever was when she got a scholarship. What I'm saying is, tomorrow will come. There you go. Beautiful as ever.
Thank you.
My pleasure.
I'm still confused. Lost.
No worries. I'm here for you.
It's just. I'm trying to remember what happened.